2022 Lincoln Aviator Full Review. The Aviator is possibly the most popular SUV in Lincoln's lineup right now. Things about the additional hybrid versions don't cool. Well, at around 500 HP, it's a bigger center of attention than the larger Navigator. The flagship SUV has recently introduced many novelties, so the 2022 Lincoln Aviator will remain unchanged. Assortment is fully transferred. On the other hand, we cannot cross out minor updates like paint updates or limited editions. The second-generation Aviator has arrived as 2022 Lincoln Aviator. After just 1 year, the company has refreshed the color palette and trim levels available for some colors. Now we expect a similar dose of changes. Interior features, especially the infotainment system, need to be updated. New trim level is also possible. But the luxury 2022 Lincoln Aviator covers almost all possible options for this class. You have powerful units with 400 and 500 HP, including a hybrid, and various trim levels, including a premium quality black label with unique interior features. Pricing starts above $51,000, but buyers are getting plenty of optional accessories in the standard SUV. 2022 Lincoln Aviator trim levels and colors. Let's see what packages 2022 Lincoln Aviator will have for sure. Base and spare trims are available if you want a conventional drive system. The base model is well equipped, and features include 3-color climate control, Co-Pilot 360 safety, and a 10-inch screen. Reserve upgrades it with 20-inch wheels, 4-zone trim, and leather trim. You can recognize this version by the panoramic sunroof. Heated and ventilated seats are available as options. The company has already discarded some of the colors, while Flight Blue is the latest shade of the Reserve model. Asher Gray and Ocean Drive Blue are available as the base SUV. The major update to the Grand Touring is the plug-in hybrid that delivers 494 HP. This power required other propulsion upgrades such as regenerative braking. Another notable addition is adaptive steering. The Grand Touring package can be combined with the Black Label. 2022 Lincoln Aviator Black Label. Not only are you choosing features for the interior, but you also choose the powertrains over the new top model. The 2022 Lincoln Aviator Black Label comes with the most amazing features. For example, Revel offers its Ultima 3D sound system with 28 speakers. On the outside, the 22-inch alloy wheels make this version very aggressive. Of course, safety also comes in the latest package Co-Pilot 360 Plus. You can choose the theme of the chalet, destination, or excursion. The V6 engine is standard, but you can combine the Black Label with the Grand Touring package, which provides a PHEV drivetrain. 2022 Lincoln Aviator engines and specifications. The primary power source for the 2022 Lincoln Aviator will remain the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6. It is extremely powerful with 400 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque. A 10-speed automatic transmission sends power to the rear wheels, or both axles, as standard if you decide to pay $2,500. The Grand Touring uses a plug-in hybrid configuration that is based on the gasoline engine itself. But the electric assist improves production to 494 HP and 630 pound-feet of torque. AWD is the only option, and the SUV produces 23 mpg. The standard versions consume 18/26 RWD, and 17/24 AWD, miles per gallon. It takes 5.5 seconds for a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration, while the Grand Touring drops it down to 5 seconds. 2022 Lincoln Aviator prices. The 2022 Lincoln Aviator is the midsize luxury SUV with 3 rows of seats. The base price is only $51,000, which is a very competitive price. But MSRP increases very quickly with each upgrade. 4-wheel drive costs $2,500 and parts add $7,000 in features. Forming a PHEV will cost you a minimum of $70,000. The Black Label adds $20,000 whether you are looking for a standard or hybrid configuration. Competition. Lincoln is one of America's oldest luxury car manufacturers. Cadillac has yet to launch the midsize SUV to compete with its arch-rivals. The competitor Jeep Grand Cherokee could be considered, but only with the high-end Trackhawk. Japanese automakers are coming out with hybrid units for their midsize SUV. Lexus RX bestseller. Acura introduced the highly anticipated Type S package. However, the most luxurious models come from Europe. 3 German companies and 1 leading Swedish company. The luxury and power of the BMW X5 and Mercedes GLE are hard to rival.